Alright, today I'm going to be opening 6 Sword and Shield booster packs. The only card I believe that I didn't pull that I want is the Rainbow Snorlax. That would be insane. I pulled, like I said, pretty much everything else. Pulled the Lapras, Rainbow Lapras. Okay, there you go. And 4 to the front, sweet. No bendage really. We got a Hitmonlee. Perfect for the fighting energy that we got. Encino, Vulpix, Munna, Roselia, Chewtle, Skorupi, and oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? Dude, where are my sleeves? This is the second quick ball I've ever pulled. And I believe the quick ball is one of the more pricey ones. Nonetheless, looks insanely sick. And you, sir, deserve a top loader. First pack magic. Do you look at that? It's literally insane. Keep you right over here. Alright, well, that trip to the store was already worth it. Really can't believe it. I just can't even believe what else we got in the store. Ooh, we got a Pikachu. Alright. I'll take Pikas any day. Grade those up eventually. Even though they're not that valuable. I believe in grading Pikas. We forgot to do the card trick, and I forgot to give you the code. There you go. Might have some bendage in this one. 2, 3, 4. If we pull another, like, card, like... Oh my gosh, I think we did. What is going on? I think I saw some shine. Meowth, Sizzlipede, Wooloo, Grookey, Nickit, and... Oh my gosh. Okay. We got 2 full arts in a row. What is this? Don't exactly deserve a top loader, but yeah, good pull. I'm gonna set you down here. Well, my luck for Sword and Shield usually isn't this great. Okay, it's pretty insane. Like if we get another pull, that would just be a little too crazy. Like even if it was a V, like a regular V, that would be kind of crazy. I don't know. Apparently, you don't need a bend with a quick ball to be a good pull. I always got those reverse cloisters. I collect those. So, Citrus Berry, Quillfish, Wooloo, Joltik, Salandit, Octopus, Ghastly, Reverse, and okay, there we go. I was gonna say you shouldn't be getting 3 full arts in a row or 3 Vs. Shouldn't even be getting 3 whites in a row, but it happens. It definitely happens. Come on, Rainbow Snorlax. That's all I want. I mean, I'd take a 4th Rainbow Marnie. I actually I don't know if I pulled the regular Marnie. Come to think of it, I think I pulled the Rainbow like 3 times. So, yeah. Maybe a little bendage. Not much. Always check for bendage. It's exciting. Well, not always. You don't always have to check for bendage. With Candy, Lumberry, Corvisquire, Cottony. 2 Grookies in a row. 2 different artworks. And... Oh, the opening was already made. I got a quick ball. Sword and Shield's a decent set, I'll have to admit. If you pull a full art or secret rare. Otherwise, the V's are kind of lacking. Like, the regular V's aren't that great. I think we pulled all our luck already for this opening. I think we used it all up, the Sword and Shield. But other packs should be good. Is there something here? No. It's a Snorlax, but it's not the one we want. Let's get another Gold Zacian. How about that? I think that's the best card in the set. I think maybe the Marnie. Is there something in here? We're going to do the pack flip. Oh! Dude, we definitely got something. Could just be... It's probably a regular V, but still. Yeah, I think it's a regular V. You don't know though. Maybe I'm seeing things and it's not even a V. Silicobra, Chinchou, and oh, dumb Morpeko, which I pulled a million of. But hey, 3 out of 3 packs, 3 out of 6 packs, we did very, very good. Incredibly good. Just gonna go over the pulls. So, in this opening, we got the Quick Ball, amazing. Team Grunt and the Morpeko. 6 packs, pretty good. Definitely happy. I love gold cards. Wow. Alright guys, leave a comment on what's your favorite card in Sword and Shield base set. And be sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks guys. Peace out.